Our tire repair tools and the old tire repair tools appear to be similar in appearance. There are actually significant differences. Firstly, we have disparities in the size of the tool. Optimizations made in size. We reduced cone diameter for significant size reduction, achieving significant size reduction. At the same time, it also reduced fork diameter, tried to avoid enlarging the wound as much as possible. So what's the biggest change? We also changed material of the rubber strip. This kind of old-fashioned rubber strip is used, made of rope. Then it is very hard. So the size is also very large. For example, the one we are currently doing, this nail, its diameter is approximately, the diameter of this rubber band is reached when it measures 2 to 3 millimeters. About 5 millimeters. Then fold it again, put it in again. Equivalent to us using a 10 millimeter, the rubber strip has been employed to mend a single one. Originally, a hole of 2 or 3 millimeters. So because this kind of rubber strip is very hard, so through long hours of driving, it will wound enlargement. Then further, that tire, just discard it. So today we modified the material of the rubber strip. We altered it, made of rubber, so you can see it's stretchy and extremely soft. Thin. And its material, we have continued to utilize the material of the tire patches employed. It's a concept. For instance, tire patches. This is black rubber. The patch is made from black rubber material, composed of gray rubber. The function of black rubber is elastic. Then there is hardness. There is also intensity. So gray rubber is active rubber. After it combines with the vulcanizing agent, chemical reaction will occur. Then go very well, repair the tire wound. Then our rubber strip also utilizes the same principle. It is composed of black rubber in the middle section. Composed of 2 shades of gray rubber, black rubber play a role. There is hardness. Elasticity, 2-tone gray rubber, as well as active rubber, provide flexibility and durability in the product. After coming into contact with rubber adhesive, it will undergo a chemical reaction with the tire. Then go very well make up for this wound. Okay then, so next, let's go and operate it. Firstly, we extract the nail after examining it. Anyone can see this nail is about 2 or 3 mm. It's also common in our daily lives. Size of nail. Then we utilize a cone, rapidly cover the injury, attempt to minimize tire air leakage. We apply vulcanized adhesive. Then we let one side go to polish the wound area until it is smooth and shiny. On the other hand, it is to allow the vulcanized rubber adhesive to have better contact with the wound. After we apply the glue, this polishing is also very labor-saving, because we have reduced the size of the cone. So it won't be very laborious. All right, we'll polish it 3 times, allow the wound to come into full contact with sulfurized glue. Good, next we thread the rubber strip onto our closed-end plug. This is a specially designed closed-end plug. Good, let's thread our rubber band through. Then apply our glue. In this case, the rubber strip will undergo a chemical reaction with our tires. Please look. In this way will be very easy. Insert our rubber strip to the end. Slowly pull it out. 4 rubber strips like this stayed in the wound. You appear extremely energetic like this. Then like this, we just cut off the wound. Trim tape